Hello, darlings, or shall I say, weirdos. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. If you're wondering what happened to my voice, one of our fellow weirdos over in the Facebook group requested, because I love doing everything that the Manu Femme requests, that I do an entire video with a British or a quasi British accent. So this will be my feeble attempt to replicate an accent from somewhere between the UK and Australia. Because I don't have any British friends. I don't think I've ever really met anyone from the UK. So this is all off the top of my head. Let's talk about nails, shall we? I've got iGel baby powder on, and I'm going to encapsulate with clear, and then I'm going to do a little Christmas lights nail art, and it's going to be festive and jolly and fun. What the hell is happening? I don't know how much talking I'm going to be doing during this video, but if I offend anybody, please forgive me. I mean no offense. This is not my fault. If you'd like, I can certainly give you the name of the individual whose idea this was. I have no qualms throwing her onto the bus. You can come for her. Anyways, I'm going to go in with my usual e-filing and hand filing routine. This is awkward as fudge. And then we're going to do a little nail art. I'm going to use gel polish. You could use acrylic paint, regular polish, stamping polish, whatever you've got on hand. Per my usual, I'm going to let you watch me complete my filing and e-filing routine, and then I will come back with some nail art. So don't go anywhere. I will be right back. So on a scale of 1 to 100, how So I'm hopping back in because I wanted to tell you, you're going to see me put colors down on my palette one by one, but I was very methodical about my color placement. I wanted them to be equally spaced out. So I totally messed up. I apparently forgot how to count and missed a few lights, but because this is a Charlie Brown inspired Christmas lights look, I figured it wouldn't be too big of a deal. I don't know. You guys seem to like it. That's what I wanted to tell you. I'm going in with my dotting tool and I'm going to place each color on a different space on the string of lights. And because of the way the gel polish applies with the dotting tool, you can place the color down and slightly drag it up and you get that almost perfect Christmas light shape. So I'm going to let you So I finished up the look and I've applied my Poochie's Nails top coat, gel top coat. You could use your dip powder top coat if you prefer. I'm a gel polish kind of girl. And here is the final look. I'm going to, of course, apply my Candi skincare cuticle oil. It's a step you don't ever want to forget. You want to keep your nails beautiful and your skin healthy. Cuticle oil is the best way to do that. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the look and what you think of this god-awful accent. I promise this will not be happening ever again. Thank you for putting up with me. If you've never seen one of my videos before, thank you for sticking around to the end. I appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye.